The sine rule looks something like this. A over sine A equals B over sine B. This is what you're going to use if you're trying to find a side. If you're trying to find an angle, you just flip it upside down. Sine A over A equals sine B over B. All you have to do is label A, capital A, B, capital B, and then you plug it in. Depending on which one you're trying to work out, whether it's a side or an angle, you use the respective equation. Plug it in, rearrange, good to go. That's honestly it for the sine rule. So, can you try it on that, please? You're trying to find an angle in this case. So you're going to make use of sine A over A equals sine B over B. Or in this case, C. Doesn't matter what the letters are, as long as it follows that structure. So this is small a, this is small c. You've got capital A there, you've got capital C there. So sine x over 5.8 equals sine 67.5 over 7.2. You times by 5.8. And then you do the inverse sine of all of this. And you should get 48.1 to 3 significant figures. That's it. That's essentially how you do the sine rule. Try that question for me, please. This one isn't as straightforward, but it is still very doable. The first step is to work out what this angle is. So, what did you get for that angle? You should have done 180 minus 78. So 102. And now you can work out unknown angle x by using the sine rule. So sine x over 5 equals sine 102 over 6. We multiply sine 102 over 6 by 5, and then you do the inverse of all of this, which should give you 54.6 to 3 significant figures. And that's the angle, so degrees. Now, if we label this as 54.6, we can work out this angle here. What would that be equal to? That one is going to be the result of 180 minus 102 minus 54.6, which is 23.4. Because we worked that out, we can now work that out by doing 180 minus that. So 156.6. Okay? And now you can just address the angle AB, the triangle, ABD. So if you want to work out this angle, you do 180 minus 156.6 minus 10, 13.4. Does that make sense? I hope so. Just looking at that triangle, A, B, D, we've now got, we've now got 10, 6 centimeters, 156.6 degrees, 13.4 degrees, and Y. We want to work out Y. So we can make use of big D and small d, and then big A and small a. We're trying to work out a side. D over sine D equals A over sine A. So Y over sine 156.6 equals 6 over sine 13.4. We times by sine 156.6, and then you should get 10.28, which is 10.3, to 3 significant figures. And there you go. That is how you do the sine rule.